Not
car is nicer than
right.
you would ever expect.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, we're going.
Yeah.
We've come this far. We can't stop now.
No, that's true.
So we'll hit him at a.
Okay.
So I'm not selling one. I want to sell all three. And this guy wants to sell us a Nomad, which I know that you know better than
Send me a picture of the Nomad.
Mm-hmm. A super duper clean 4Runner.
Cool.
And a Corvette, what's the color? Rosewood. It's kind of pinky. It's a low built production color.
What year?
17 with 22,000 miles. And I price checked him and we agree.
Okay.
So, but he said, I don't want to sell this car alone. I want to sell the other three. So he may have baited me in.
What's his name?
John Bowley.
John Bowley.
Yep.
Okay.
And so he may have baited me with agreeing on the price of the
You might be
Corvette.
you.
He may be bowling me because like we got a lock on the Vet, then he may be real hard to deal with on the other two because he said, I don't want to sell the other thing. Now this guy also has his dad has a Chevrolet SS, a 2017, and those were built by Holden in Australia.
GTO.
In Australia. That's who built the GTO?
Yep.
Okay. But this one's got 1,600 miles on it.
Wow.
And every time I've had one of those, they've really worked pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't know if they haven't gone up in value a little bit.
Let's go check it out.
All right. It's pretty clean. He said he's a professional detailer, and I'm starting to believe him. I think he said he color corrected it. 88, 89, I forgot the year model. If we did I call it freewheeling on Ford, but the Toyota orange and yellow stripe, it wouldn't hurt.
Details.
It wouldn't hurt it, yeah.
Hi. How you doing?
How are you? Good to see you. John Wolfe.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Shit, Foose.
Yeah.
Is it 88 or 89?
This is an 89.
89.
Yeah, I bought this in 97.
Oh, you bought it in 97?
97, second owner. Bought it from a gentleman in Seal Beach. And story is, in order for me to buy this car, he wanted me to bring my then present car and prove to him like I would take care of this.
Yes.
And of course, that was
What
a
did you
draw
have?
for me. I had an El Camino. I had 79 El Camino at
Nice.
the time. So this was a step up for me. But anyway, so I did that, and he was like, "Yeah, I'll sell it." Yeah. So I've had it all these years. I've driven it, and then I parked it for a while because, like all of us, we'll buy something new, and then this becomes kind of like, on the back burner.
Right.
And so
How many miles are you?
132, 131 and some change, but 132. So a few years ago, this one and the one in the driveway, I decided I'm going to register them in Arizona, So obviously, it's fun to try to pick a personalized license
If you
plate.
buy an Arizona plate like this,
That is a Arizona
I mean,
plate.
straight, but
Yeah.
Barrett Jackson is a
why not?
state. I mean, they offer a state.
It's one of
should-
their, like, you've got 30 to choose from.
Got you.
Yeah, so that one made sense for me, and
Are you a motocrosser?
I was.
Yeah, I noticed the Fox or the Spy.
Yeah, that was, oh God.
Another life.
30 years ago, yeah.
Were you a trail rider or a motocross rider?
Both.
Yeah.
Yeah, both. So I don't know if Toyota's your thing, but like I told you over the phone, I'm looking to do like a package deal because there's just a few cars that, even though I love them, we kind of moved on, and just like a lot of us, it's like you get new toys,
Right.
And these other ones,
Where are the other cars?
the other cars are in Aliso Viejo, so
It's 15 minutes from here.
yeah, 20 minutes. I don't know if you have Toro, as
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, we're going.
yeah. So
We've come this far. We can't stop now.
no, that's true, yeah. So-
And is your dad's over there? Is that a different?
No, Dad's in La Habra.
How far is that from the other place?
Oh, that's what, 40,
Okay.
40 minutes, give or take. But
Well, that car, that SS the miles are so short. I don't really need to see it. I mean, and it's
it's
only 10 years. It's only 10 years old.
it's a perfect car. It's just, what's the number on that car is the big question, right?
Yeah.
Because I don't know. I don't remember how many they made, but they were imported from Australia.
Right.
Holden.
Yeah.
And I don't know. Maybe they'll be collectible in 10 years. Maybe they are now. I don't know. But you go and bring a trailer, and they're on there.
but they're high mileage.
Right.
So he's got the same problem. He just, he buys stuff.
How many cars does he have? That he wants? Is that the only?
Sure.
Oh, he's got a bunch.
Yeah.
Do you think that will just be the first one to more with him, or just
Buying or selling?
him selling?
Both. Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be both.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, we never stop, right?
I got you.
So, yeah, he's got a few others that he's considered party, such, and then there's some that just they either belong to
My grandparents, something like that. That's cool. Which
So
we'll just have to keep those in the families.
Sure.
Yeah, but
I'm still trying to find some of those cars and bring them back in my family.
really.
Yeah.
What would that be?
Oh, a K5 Blazer. There's 2 of them.
Oh, okay.
So really they're hot. Drag back. Yeah.
It was so hot, right?
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe how those shot up.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll meet you there.
Okay.
Did you see the interior?
I did.
Oh.
The under the seats is good as I noticed it has covers on it.
Yeah, pull them up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put those on there when I bought her.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
Is there a 4-door version in this year?
So this was a transition year where they were doing the new body style with a different grille. But this is the last of the 2-door with the removable top.
Right.
That top's never been off, but it does come off, and that's why they had to include the gold bar in the back.
Do you happen to have the original wheels?
I don't. They didn't come with the car.
Gotcha.
But I did consider sourcing those and putting it back, because that's the only thing that's not.
I will have to we'll have to get the right wheels to put on it to make it do right.
Yeah, and then.
I mean, they're great wheels, but
They
how it
are.
works. They just something that's good. They want it.
Well,
to
when
be,
you're that close,
Yeah,
too,
that-
to being original, because
Yes.
that's the original paint. That is the original paint. So,
Are there any bad spots on the paint?
no.
Just the other side all wiped out.
Yeah.
I've done it before. I've absolutely.
Yeah, that's why I put it on that side.
I've absolutely
No.
done that before. Not in a guy's garage, but at a.
No.
Well, yeah,
Didn't look at it?
I didn't look at it. I'm just going to trust him. So far, everything he described is right on.
Yeah, it's a nice car. It really is.
And I'll tell you why else I trust him. See his garage?
Yeah.
I'd rather see pictures of someone's kitchen and closet and garage than their car, because you know what the car's going to look like based off the way they live the rest of their life. It's so true. If everything's a mess, then you need to check the car out more.
I'm in trouble.
Yeah.
I think you have an organized mess, Chirp. Yeah. No, it is very true, John. So.
Yeah, when we're going through on consumer picks, I'm like, you're fine. Like, go ahead and pay him. Like, why? We don't need to inspect it. I say, you don't need to inspect it. It's fine. Look at the garage. This is so dumb, but there's just such a truth to
you're
it.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's a lifestyle, right? Everything you do in life.
Yeah, I knew when you opened the garage and I was looking over there and I saw it. That thing's clean.
Yeah, I think that's just the beauty behind this car is that it's original paint, and I'm a detailer, so I was able to preserve it, in this condition, which
Is that what you do full time?
now I fall. So when you're able to do that, and you don't have to daily drive it,
Yeah.
you have car covers and all that, you can keep them up, right?
Very
Okay, I'll text you the address,
Okay.
John, and then I'll just meet
Is
you
it
there.
is it a house or is it a?
Yeah, it's a house.
Okay. Is it one of your houses?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
It's a house.
That Toyota's.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
There's too many miles on this.
Oh yeah. The low mileage cars are over there, but that thing, for 120, is it 120 or 130? I think it might be 130,000 miles. It's nice, and his paint
The
correction.
miles are expected, but the
Not
car
bad.
is nicer than
Right.
you would ever expect.
Yeah. He described it that way. It's nice when people describe them properly. Remember this. It goes faster and easier.
Yep. Describe it properly, you're going to make a sale.
Yeah. It's that simple.
Yep.
How many times have you been on a scavenger hunt and showed up and it was completely wrong from
Many.
market to Many.
Many. That's more likely than this situation.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Most of the time they misdescribe the cars. And that's why I always press people on the front side about prices so that we don't waste our time traveling to wherever and come up with a bunch of rust buckets. Now we're off to stop number 2 on the mystery tour. Stop number 2? And I think there's a stop number 3 because they have a big car collection down the street that a widow gave them a collection to sell on consignment. I don't think I've told
Yeah.
you this part yet, have I?
No.
Yeah. And they got some cool Mopars.
We got a Nomad here, and what else?
A Nomad and a Vet, and that's it. And then his dad's Holden
Okay.
We can just buy it off the picture. It's got 1,600 miles. And based off the paintwork that he shows, it's going to be fine.
Go check it out.
So tell us about this one.
Yeah, so I sold a few cars back in like 2007 so that I could get something of this caliber. And I was jonesing for a 56 Chevy, red and white. I couldn't find a Bel Air. I'm on eBay and I see a wagon and I'm like, God, that's the perfect car, except for I don't know if I'm a wagon guy, you know.
It's a Nomad, not wagon.
Nomad, yeah. So then I messaged the guy on eBay and he says, look, I think I got it sold. And he goes, I'm on vacation. Message me when I get back home. So I did. He was out in Corona. That's here in California. And so he gets back and I said, look, man, I'm a buyer. I want to come out there and look at the car. And so he's like, okay. So I rolled out there with a couple buddies and I saw it. And, you know, right away I was like, okay, this thing's nice, like he said. And I had to have it.
So he too describes his cars properly.
He did. He did. He really did. Because
What have you had to do with it?
so nothing. I mean, I put a set of tires on it when I first got it. It needed an alignment, so I did that. Otherwise, I just polish it and occasionally drive it.
What motor's in it?
It's a 383.
Okay.
Broker.
Yeah, so
It's clean.
yeah, I mean, it's simple and it, you know, it's for its time. It was.
Is it a cold start or does it pop off?
No, I know, like, you know how we know our cars, like we know how many.
You know how to do it, yeah.
Pump it and then when it'll start. But yeah, this car's reliable. It'll start when I anticipate it to start.
Did they have power brakes on them back then, Joe?
Yeah.
56? I had power. You don't have disc, so this has front disc. But
How many years ago did you buy it?
I bought this in 2008.
Gotcha.
Yeah, 2008.
Before or after the crash?
So that was part of the thing. Like he looked like he was going through some financial hardship and just kind of getting rid of stuff to kind of pay off bills. And so, you know, I didn't haggle. I gave him exactly what he was asking for on eBay, and I didn't even drive the car. We went down the street to get gas in it. He drove in it. My buddy is 6'3". He got in the back seat, and I was like, oh my gosh, like all these people in this car. And sure enough, we got back. I was like, let's go to the bay.
Did he have an auction or was it just a listing?
No, this is a eBay, just, you know, local guy, private party. Yeah. No.
Do you remember, but it used to be auctions all the time in the beginning of eBay?
Oh, yeah. Actually, it was an auction. Yeah, it was an auction. And I think I did something like where I went to click buy it now and it rejected it. And I was like, well, that's strange. So then I messaged him and that's when we got going with
I've got it sold.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Bring a Trailer is eBay of yesteryear.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
but the it's been around now, it's getting popular enough and they're trying to fight it off, but all the no sales and bad, I don't know if you saw where people bid up a Ferrari crazy high, 2 buyers, you know, like 200,000 over the money, and they didn't pay, and they called the backup guy and they didn't pay. So they, you know, if the buy fee was $7,500, they were willing to blow the $7,500 on their credit card, or they set up a scam to try to manipulate the market to drive these prices up. So the corruption is what I'm talking about. Yeah. And the same problems that ruined the trust of eBay have started working their way in to Bring a Trailer.
Yeah. It's just a matter of time.
These people are just going to figure out a hustle, you know, on everything.
Yeah. Yeah, so you do have to be careful. Absolutely.
Listen, man. Look there. Madness, absolute madness. Sounds pretty good. Did you bring the paint up on this one? I'm sure you did.
Oh,
yeah. You mentioned that earlier. What was the...
Yeah, I just going through
why did it
a
mean something to you?
difficult time in my life. And, you know, the black rose signifies the ending of one event in your life and then beginning of a new. And that's exactly where I was. So black rose...
That makes sense.
Yeah, was the one to find, especially with, you can open that chip, especially the one with the Kalahari interior. Yeah. so-
22,000 miles, I think. Is that right?
This one's at 23. Yeah.
23.
23. So, yeah.
Yeah.
This is an AA. It's got every single option. I've got the window sticker over there. And so I'm the second owner. And yeah, he just went hog wild with all the options. He's got 2 target tops. There's another one in the back. And then I liked it because it had the full carbon package.
Hmm.
And it's not there's different levels of that carbon package, and some of them just look too race ready. This was more subtle and
Yeah.
streetable, but so anyway. Oh, and then the Z06 wheels, black chrome.
Yeah, I was fixing to say it's got a Z06 look.
Yeah, so, but yeah, it's the same body. It's just Z06 would have the supercharger.
Where's the storage?
Oh, Laguna Hills. Yeah,
Is that
it's right down the street.
okay?
Yeah, you guys are.
Well, let
You want to go there and sit in an air-conditioned conference room?
yeah, that's fine.
We could do that.
Is he realistic on his prices here?
We did not talk about the other two, so I don't know the prices, but I think we should offer 20,000 on the 4Runner,
Yeah.
and I don't know the Nomad. My gut is telling me 40. What is yours? I need to look it up.
I'm going to do a little bit of research. We just sold an absolutely gorgeous Nomad.
Mhm.
Ken Reister had probably close to 800,000 in it. He just sold it for 100.
Oh wow. Okay.
So
I know they're good.
Yeah.
If it had unfortunately, if it had the LT4 or
it's
the
a
LSA in
Nomad.
it, right?
and this car could be north of what you're saying there.
Right. I mean, we buy these cars, and my method is we buy them high, try to spread them 1, 2, 3 grand, try not to lose. We still wind up losing, but I have to pay a lot just to get them, and then the numbers work out.
See, I look at it and think, okay, we got to put a really cool set of wheels and tires
Right.
on it
So you want to spend the money
to make
which-
it look like an $80,000 car
right.
for not a lot of money.
But I can't get 80 for it. I don't have that.
But
Like,
we can make it look like that, and hopefully we get 60.
what kind of wheels would you want to put on it?
I'd just put probably a set of 18-inch.
What brand?
I'd do them with Mike Curtis.
I'm messing
Foose
with
wheels.
you. You know a guy?
Yeah,
All right.
he's a little guy out in Southern California.
What car is worth more, a 57 Chevy or that, a non-post or that? That's worth.
Most people like 56 better than 57.
But I mean, if you're doing the coupe versus the Nomad versus the wagon,
The Nomad
Nomad's
is the
worth
high
more.
end.
Right.
Yeah.
So I'm basing mine off of a 56. Let's hit him at 40. If that math's right, we'll do a little research on the way over to the next place.
He's going to want north of 40, I'll guarantee you.
Okay.
But
So
hit him with that and see where
40 and 20 is 60 and 50. So 110 for the
you
triplets.
couldn't paint that car for 40.
I understand. So we'll hit him at 110. And I think you and he have better mojo than he. You know me, I'm a car dealer, so I'm the.
Yeah.
I'd rather you to give. Do you feel comfortable giving the number, or you want me to do it?
Yeah, I'll
Okay. So
want to ask him or make an offer first.
well, that's with the vet. I said I'll give 50 grand for the vet. I just told him that, and he said that's reasonable. I said, so we're good on the vet at 50. I said yes. He said, but I want to sell the other 2.
Okay.
So I'm not selling one. I want to sell all 3.
So did he give you a price on the?
He did not.
on
He
the
didn't give me a
4Runner?
price on the vet.
The 4Runner, he didn't say anything.
No,
What are they selling for when they're not that nice?
25. Oh no, that nice 16.
Okay.
Well, let's boogie to the next place, and he's got a Mopar over there too. Didn't we discuss a Mopar? Yeah. Is this one for sale? Because I'd give 500 to 600 there for it, depending on the spec.
I don't know what to do. I promised I would keep that car quiet.